and next work task is that how I can take and disassemble this cabin air filter element and also this basement area in here. It is our next task. We have to take all of these away and let's go to start that job. Okay, and firstly I take these plastic covers out. They open so that when we have letter closed we only carefully pull out, and there are also the side these switch what we carefully bend, and if we bend this too much then this part goes broken. We have this air filter box, and there can be like 10mm bolt or Torx bolt, different kind of bolts what we have to take out. Like in here, they looks like that, small bolts, and I take all of these bolts now away. Okay, here is also bolt. And then I go in another side. Okay, and now all bolts are free, and now I can replace this cabin inside air filter. And next we have this nice big base element, and there are bolts in these sides, and let's go to open. Bolts really in these areas, and let's go to look at what they looks like. And we have to open these bolts both sides, and then this part opens. Okay, and now when I have take here bolt away, and in here these are okay, and there's some connectors also. You might have disconnect these electric cables, and then we have in here these big cables in here, and they open in that way. We have to move these electric cables in these positions, and after that only hands in here and pull front carefully and pick little bit up and carefully, and now this basement opens. Great engineering.